favorite newsmaker. Away they go. Golden Angge. Fast to begin. Newsmaker. Shut up alongside para sa amin winning habit. Vermont, Danori inside, racing is the force, and under, Father outside is winning hand, super elegant, while most unbelievable is the early trailer, Golden Angge, by about 2 lengths, followed by Para Sa Amin. Newsmaker running by the fourth belongs to Vermont alongside his winning habit, the fourth winning hand. Shut up, second last, super elegant and most unbelievable is still running at the tail of the field. Racing towards the last 500, Golden Angge by about 3 lengths, winning habit is on the outside, winning hand as they race the last 450, Golden Angge towards to the 3 and bunch of horses spike it up for the lead, winning hand on the outside, Vermont on the inside, winning habit, Vermont by the right, and Vermont, and finally winning hand, the fourth Newsmaker, and for your Super 6, Golden Angge.